Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your stock on Charles Schwab. First, log into your account using the website or mobile application. Once logged in, find the Trade tab or section. This is where you will initiate all buying and selling activities. From there, you will select the specific stock you intend to sell from your investment portfolio. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth transaction. Next, you will place your sell order. You have options like a market order, which sells your shares immediately at the best available current price. Alternatively, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you are willing to sell, and the order will only execute if that price is met or exceeded. Carefully input the precise number of shares you wish to sell. Before finalizing, it is crucial to review your order details carefully. Double-check the stock symbol to ensure you are selling the correct security. Confirm the number of shares and the order type, whether it is a market or limit order. This step helps prevent any potential errors. Once you are confident all information is accurate, proceed to confirm the transaction to execute your sale. After confirming your sale, the transaction enters a settlement period. For most stock sales, the funds will typically settle and become available in your account within 2 business days. Once settled, you will see the cash reflected in your available balance. You then have the flexibility to either withdraw these funds or reinvest them into other opportunities within your Charles Schwab account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.